Abby's got snow. What is that? You're not used to the snow, are you? Ooh, it's cold. It's snowing hard. It's sticking to stuff. The birds are happy they have some food. You want to give them some more? Oh yeah, it's cold. That snow is blowing. It's icy. Wow. An Alabama blizzard.
They're not eating. Okay, I'm gonna come feed you.
Keeping the birdies fed. Oh, Abby's having a great time. I knew she would love chasing her ball down that hill. There's Birdie Daddy feeding the birds. Oh, they're going to be so happy. They'll be back in 2 seconds. They're probably watching and waiting for you. Yep, there they are. Happy birds. Happy puppy. There's Happy. Coming up the hill. Are you tired already?
Bring it up.
Can you bring the ball? You're so funny. Puppies are hilarious. She's just having the best time. Uh-oh, time to dig. Wow. You can't find her now if I zoom out. She's in the snow. Oh, she's having a blast. Though I think we've actually had, oddly, a snow every year since she's been born, 3 years in a row. Which is kind of unusual here. Oh, the birds are so happy. Okay, pretty girl, you ready?
Come on. Bring it up.
It's getting cold. She says, nope, I'm playing. I'm ignoring you. Come on.